Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you've just found the channel. My name is Abe and I love being in the ocean. For today's episode, I'm taking you with us on a 2-day kayak fishing and spearfishing mission. I hit the country road early in the morning on the first day, traveling through the bush and sand dunes to reach this beautiful remote piece of coastline here in Western Australia. And awesome ocean conditions on the first day, rough and wet paddle on the second day, some crazy and rare encounters, very unusual cook the catch, living the best life. Stick around for the adventure. Morning, this is our day one. We are on 2 days kayak fishing, spearfishing trip. We got everything set up, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna park the car up the hill. The tide is coming in later this morning, so we don't know how far it's gonna come in, so I'll quickly put this away. And we got John there with his stealth, and I'm on the hobby. And yeah, hopefully we get another weekend day today. Perfect. Easy as. So this is our camp site for the night. Yeah, that's today's accommodation, lads. We got all day to fish today, so yeah. I want to swim around that area there. There's a bit of eddy going on there. There's a shallow reef. I wonder what's down there. We're gonna check that later. So guys, this will be an epic trip. Stick around for the action. Let's go fishing. I think what we can do, we paddle out and then we head to the right. Should be good. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, sweet. Hopefully I can still have it later. Look out for that, please. I want my Red Bull back. I'll go around this way, but I think we can probably go now. Woo! There's one. Ah, nice, it's fine. Easy as. I want my Red Bull back. Woo! Nice and safe. Yeah. There's a shallow reef right here. I was just wondering, we might hook some tailor there. Hey, let's have a look. Let's cast this. Just there at the back. Yeah, we could hook a mackerel here. You never know, because the last time I was here, whilst I was sorting that dewy, a maki appeared. What if he's still here? One more cast and then we're gonna move on. Okay, let's catch up with John and find grounds. Let's go. Again, we're doing the chicken trick, guys. I've got a strip bait here. That's a piece of chicken, and then I'm gonna come back to my mark. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Water's quite murky. Something was underneath my boat earlier. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's looking very, very snapperish down here. What I might do, see, I wonder what that is, but I'm gonna set the drift. I'll drip with the bait, so I'll stop here. That's chicken bait going in, And there are big marks down here, so drop down amongst them. See what happens. That's good. Yeah. Oh, keep losing it. Maybe a squid. Do you have a squid jig?
Yeah, I do.
We could have a squid here. I think this is a squid. I'll wet it in slowly. Yeah, yeah. A cuttlefish. Yeah, that's a cuttlefish there. Cuttlefish. Oh, grab him. This is a good bait, this one. We can make him as a meal too. First catch of the day. There's a lot of braid fish there, and we're just waiting for a predator to come in. What's your bait there?
Whiting.
Whiting, that's nice. Nice. Yeah, take it slow.
Yeah, so
What do you think?
If it's dewy or not?
We'll find out.
It's decent in size. Let's see.
Yeah, I've seen that hit, man. It's
Yeah.
oh, it's 8 meters. Yes, he's close. Oh, that's big. Hey, I can see it.
Yeah, it's a snap.
Nice.
Thank you,
Massive. Woo. How's that, brother? You got a fish. Yeah, open your hatch. You open your hatch first. You good? Can you land it?
Yeah, I'm just worried because
No, just open the hatch. So
I'm afraid it's gonna cut the line too.
No, shouldn't. Bring him in first. Yeah, just grab the neck.
Grab it by the tail? Or?
Grab him by the neck. Yeah, there you go. Nice one, John. That's a good snapper, man.
It is, man.
Woo!
Thanks for bringing me on, man.
Mate, told you, you're in for a treat.
Yeah.
First trip offshore, man.
First trip offshore, yeah.
Smashed it.
First bite, first snapper.
I think we should go back. I think there should be more, hey? That's cool of them.
Yeah, I guess you're right, man.
It's gonna be stinky inside, man. That's a snapper. Stink the jacket as well. Is that a jacket there or rag?
Which one?
There's something inside. What's the gray?
My backpack.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've got all the gear in there.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bring it up.
There you go.
That's it.
Sick, man.
Yeah, we'll measure it up later. That's a good snapper.
Yeah,
It's fat. We're back to the spot. I think we might have spooked the bait fish, but we'll drop the bait anyway. Okay, we'll stick around here. There could be more, so that's why we're trying to follow those small fish. Hopefully there's more snapper, and then everyone's happy.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Fish. Oh no, I think I lost it. Yeah, I lost it. It wasn't that big, because the bait is so big. I think they're just grabbing the tail and then they break it.
Depends.
Yeah. I think that's it for this spot. There's only one big snapper, a few big hits, and we're moving on. All right, let's go somewhere else. Let's cast there. Yeah, we hooked something. For sure. And that's the Mackie. Oh, do you know what's the size for this? 90?
Yeah, 90.
Oh no, this one is small. Look at him. I think so. Yeah. Oh. Look at this guy. I don't know, should I bring him in? Look at him.
Are you sure it's Spanish? Because it can be other type of food.
Oh, he doesn't have that. Oh no. No, he's gone. He's gone. I don't know if it's the Mackie, but he doesn't have that stripe.
If it doesn't have the stripe, it's something else, and you could have keep it because the other ones are like this. It can happen, yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna break. Oh gosh, look at that.
Yeah, exactly. See?
That's a no-go zone, bro.
I think so, yeah.
Nah. A little bit disappointed with the fishing, we decided to head in close to check some grounds in the shallows. I hopped in and sure enough, the water here is even dirtier. Lots of stuff floating in the water column and can barely see the bottom 5 meters. That's pretty bad. Visibility is really bad. I hop back on the kayak and move on to a different location. I jump in again and hey, we've got the same result. I think I'll need to accept that today is not the day for spearfishing. Carry on. Can't see shit. That's a bummer. We can't see anything on 5 meters. I don't know. So that's 5 meters of water there. 6 meters. And you can't see anything. Keep going. Back to the shallow reef at the front of the campsite. The GoPro wasn't turned on, but I managed to foul hook 2 herrings with it. That was fun. Fast forward, we paddled in to prep the pink snappers for lunch. And while this is all happening, let me quickly share with you the bird's eye view of this beautiful piece of coastline. Man, finally get to eat. Snapper. Can't complain. I'm hungry. So yeah.
There you go.
It's a little bit there. Tastes like snapper. So John's taking the bait now. Good luck. I think that should be good enough, man. Yeah, that's where the reef starts. Yeah. Yeah, that's good enough. Sushi roll.
Yep.
Some special bait for special fish.
Rig setup.
Like a sushi roll.
It looks like it. Yeah. This is how he does it. They're called chocobait.
Chocolate. Wow.
Advantage to it because you're using less bait. And it looks really
Show it to the camera, bro.
Yeah.
Man, if that didn't get a fish, I don't know, hey. Let's go. Send it out. I'm so gutted. I don't know what I was thinking, but why I didn't land that fish. So I don't know. Maybe because I didn't know what exactly it is, but let's refer to wrecked fish rest. I'm pretty sure that's a maki. So fish rules, mackerel. Could be this, a juvenile Spanish mackerel. So that's 90, or a spotty 50 on this one, but definitely not this. But I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. Even if I cry now, it's gone. I'm not really sure what sort of mackerel that was, but yeah, please, if you happen to know what species that is, let me know. So whilst waiting for those guys to completely set up, I hope you see them. That's a perfect spot for drone fishing. So they'll take the bait all the way out there, 180 meters from shore. So yeah, hopefully we get something tonight. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try and go to that area. Looks rougher over there. Lovely. See what we can find here. The sand is really soft, and the tide is now going out. And should have wear thongs as well. Oh, sharp rocks. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Exactly where we want it. Woohoo! What's that? Oh, sheesh! I'm snagged. No way! Oh yeah. That's just a seaweed. Oh. That is a straight seaweed right there. You don't want it there. I thought I'm gonna lose it forever. Let's try it again. That was a bugger roll cast. Let's try and move somewhere else. Or I don't have much patience on this, eh? I'm gonna go back to where the kayaks are and then keep casting lures. A few more casts maybe, and then I'll start making dinner. Right, a punishment for not getting a fish today. As a punishment, we're eating a lamb. Ew! Junk food. Thank you. Easy as. Welcome to the second day of this trip, and we were sort of hesitant to go out this morning because it was really windy for comfort, but it sort of died down a little bit. So yeah, another beautiful morning. The water looks much cleaner than yesterday, and yeah, I don't know, there's no setup plan of attack today. We're just gonna go out, check some other spots, and yeah, and hope we're on for a fish. Just stay by the reef. The wind started to pick up again, but what do you do? Yeah, you're just gonna deal with it. I'll just quickly cast this at the back and start pedaling. Yep, should be good enough. Let's get rolling. Worst case scenario, if we have to stay in close, I've got the whiting set up here. Let's go for whiting. But for now, let's go to the drop off to see if there's any snappers. What it is? Snapper, that's good. Yes. Oh. Could be the back, you know. Yep, snapper. Hey, massive. Woohoo! Awesome. Okay. Oh, that's the deep diving lure. I'm getting drenched. The shallow reef here. Anytime from now, we're gonna see a breaker here, like a surf break. Oh, yeah, it's too rough for a kayak today. We are going in. We're gonna stay in close, and then hopefully we get a few whitings. Yeah, I'll stay on this sandy area here.
And as the man complains for being absolutely drenched as it is too windy for the kayaks in these conditions, making it difficult for the two paddled kayaks to stay ground. We decided to head close to shore to get shelter from the sand dunes from the strong easterly wind. You made it this far in this video, thank you for sticking around. We made a lucky turn here, and it seems like Mother Earth rewarded our effort to venture out here. Little did we know that this trip would make us feel so special, and turn out to be one of the best trips we'd had so far. So stick around for more action.
Ah, that's what I'm talking about. I got stung straight away. Come on, bye. Alright. Man, they're all here. This is my tent waiting. Gonna stuck up on waiting, bro. Let's start counting now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20, 5 and 6, 7, 28. Is that it? Okay. So we've got 28 in the bag. That's my 28, 29 and 30. I'm bagged out.
John landed his second pink snapper in this trip, a perfect Eden size one. Then his rod went off again onto something bigger.
Man, I think that's another pinky, eh?
No,
Something else.
that's big.
Yeah, boy.
That's definitely a shark, man. Oh.
John still on. It'll be interesting to see what it is. Is that your full drag?
No.
Nah, just put a bit more pressure, I think. Oh, up to you.
That's kind of full drag.
Yep. I reckon that's a sambo, man. Yeah.
Ah, damn.
Bust it off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh well, that's it.
We were not sure what that was, but this is for sure. There's something more special, probably, watching all this action from the distance. And this is what made this trip so much special to us. Thank you once again for tuning into this channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you liked today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and support the channel by subscribing. Otherwise, no dramas guys. I'll see you all in the next adventure.